Hey guys, welcome to the Mobile Stuffs. Today we are going to be unboxing POCO F1, so let's begin. POCO F1 is available in 3 different variants: 64GB variant, 128GB variant and 256GB variant. We have with here 64GB graphite black variant. POCO F1 is powered by Snapdragon 845 processor. It has 20 megapixel front camera, 4000 mAh battery and also liquid cooled technology. The box looks quite vibrant because of the color combination of black and yellow. So let's open it up now. This is a section with some paperwork, we'll be looking at it later. The back panel of the phone looks quite impressive. There's a headphone jack at the top and Type-C port and speakers are at the bottom. The power button and the volume button are on the right side, and on the left we have SIM ejector. So in this we find some paperwork by POCO F1, and there's also a soft case which is having a translucent design with black shade. This is a Type A to Type C cable, a charger with quick charge support and also SIM ejector tool. So that was a short unboxing video of POCO F1. We'll be uploading a hands-on video of POCO F1 on IGTV. So do follow us on our social media accounts. The link would be given in the description below. A full review of POCO F1 would be uploaded soon on this channel, so do subscribe us now. That's all for today guys. See you in the next video.